Hello and welcome to my channel Travels with KK. I am KK. I hope you have seen my last video where I had shown how to prepare Mangalorean style prawns curry, that is a GSP style, Gaud Sarvastat Brahmin style prawns curry, which we call it as prawns hinga odda, which is a flavorful dish which goes along with the rice very well. It is also called as prawn suman. If you have not seen that video, please go back. It's just one video ago. It was posted some 3 days ago. Just see that, and I hope some of you have tried that. If you have not tried, please go to my recipe and please see if you can prepare it. It's an excellent dish. So today I'll be showing another particular preparation called fish tawa fry. Fish tawa fry is an extremely popular dish in Mangalore and Dakshina Kannada district of this part of Karnataka, and it's quite a distinct kind of name what you hear, tawa fry, because it is done on a tawa and it is shallow fried. It is not deep fried in a kadai or anything. It's done on a tawa, a flat tawa with a bit of oil on that, and a very few spices are required for that. But the ultimate preparation is just fantastic. It's finger licking good, I'll promise you. It's so spicy, so tangy, and so tarty, and you can have it with the fish curry rice or you can have it with anything as a side dish. So please see our recipe. If you like it, please comment and tell your opinion about it. And if you have any questions, you can put it in the comment section. I'll reply that. My wife will be preparing that. She is not showing herself in the video, but she'll be showing the steps and I'll be explaining the steps how to do it. So let's go to my kitchen and see how it is prepared. Come. The ingredients required for this particular fish fry are these. So this is the red chili powder, around 3 teaspoonful. This is 1 teaspoonful of ginger garlic paste. This is pepper powder, around 1 teaspoonful. Around 1.5 teaspoonful of salt or as per your taste. And this is 1 teaspoonful of corn flour. And this is haldi powder, around half a teaspoon. And this is jeera powder, around half a teaspoonful, and a cut lime, which we are going to squeeze later. So these are the ingredients, and all the ingredients except for the lime are going to be mixed now, and it's going to be made a paste, and it's going to be, the fish is going to be marinated. What we are using is bangda fish. So I'll show you how to do it. Wait. So the ingredients what I told is enough for 3 pieces of bangda. This is quite a large size bangda what we have purchased, and it has been cleaned. We usually remove the head portion in Bangalore, and also a bit of tail portion we remove, and the cross cuts are made. It has been cut cross so that the masala can go in. So now we are going to marinate that with the masala powder. So this is the mix of the masala powders what I told earlier. A bit of water has been added, around 2 teaspoonful. So a little more or less, but it has to have this kind of a thick consistency. It should not be thin or watery. It will be thick chutney-like consistency. And this is the lime paste ready for. After the marination, we are going to squeeze lime on that. So it gives a bit of sourness. So this is the preparation. So this is the process of marination. That masala paste is being wiped literally on the surface of the fish, and because of the cross cuts it gets absorbed and it will taste better. Otherwise inside of the fish will be bland. A very thick marination, and it smells really good. So now the lime is being squeezed on that to give it a bit of sourness. The marinated bangda or the mackerel, you call it as Indian mackerel, now it will be kept inside the fridge for about 30 minutes for the masala to be absorbed into the fish. After that we are going to fry it. I'll show you the process later. So now the fish is marinated and oil has been taken in a tawa. So it has been rolled the rice powder. This is the rice powder what we are using. Rice powder is the best for this kind of a preparation. The fish has been marinated for about half an hour. You can even marinate it for longer, no problem. If you don't want to use it today, you can use it tomorrow or the next day, but you have to keep it in the refrigerator, the marinated fish. So because the oil is really boiling, so the flame is lowered to sim. It's allowed to fry in this oil. So what we are doing now is called as fish tawa fry. It's a specialty in this region. We have used little different spices. They have many varieties of fish tawa fry. But I can assure you, this particular recipe of ours will be really pleasing to the palates. It's really spicy. It's frying on one side now. A bit later, we'll change the side. Now the side is being changed. You can just roll it over and allow it to fry it on the other side. See how well it's fried. So other side is frying now. Fish doesn't take much time to fry. It's easy to cook. It's one of the tastiest dishes. It's smelling really nice. You can store the marinated fish in the freezer for hours together, no problem. But 30 minutes is the minimum. It's almost done. It's around nearly 4 minutes and it's almost done. Tawa fry is nothing but a shallow fry. If you want, you can do it a bit of deep frying as well, but the shallow fry is the best. It's done now. It's ready to eat. If you want, you can squeeze a bit of lime juice on this, or you can eat it directly. It looks delicious. It will taste good, I'm sure. It's fantastic. So thank you for watching. Prepare it at home. Enjoy. The same marinade can be used for any other variety of fish. It will taste good. But we have used bangda. It is really good with bangda. Bangda is also very rich in omega-3 fatty acids and is very nutritious, high in protein content. Very good. So enjoy eating. Bye for now. Wait for my next recipe, which will be soon. Thank you for watching. Bye.